He microwaves the food at noon. He microwaves the food at noon. Does he microwave the food at noon? Yes, he does. Does he microwave the food in the afternoon? No, he doesn't. Does he microwave the food in the morning? No, he doesn't. When does he microwave the food? He microwaves the food at noon. What time does he microwave the food? At noon. Does he microwave the food at night? No, he doesn't. She studies at home in the morning. She studies at home in the morning. Does she study at home in the morning? Yes, she does. Does she study at home in the afternoon? No, she doesn't. Does she study at home at night? No, she doesn't. When does she study at home? She studies at home in the morning. What time does she study at home? In the morning. Does she study at home at noon? No, she doesn't. They buy food every Saturday. They buy food every Saturday. Do they buy food every Saturday? Yes, they do. Do they buy food every Sunday? No, they don't. Do they buy food every Wednesday? No, they don't. When do they buy food? They buy food every Saturday. Do they buy food every Friday? No, they don't. Do they buy food every Saturday? Yes, they do. Daisy gets up at 7 every day. Daisy gets up at 7 every day. Does she get up at 7 every day? Yes, she does. Does she get up at 8 every day? No, she doesn't. Does she get up at 10 every day? No, she doesn't. What time does she get up every day? She gets up at 7 every day. Tina sleeps in the living room. Does Tina sleep in the living room? Yes, she does. Does Tina sleep in the bedroom? No, she doesn't. Does Tina sleep in the kitchen? No, she doesn't. Where does Tina sleep? She sleeps in the living room. My sister prepares the presentation on her laptop. My sister prepares a presentation on her laptop. Does she prepare a presentation on her laptop? Yes, she does. Does she prepare a presentation on her book? No, she doesn't. Does she prepare a presentation on her notebook? No, she doesn't. Where does she prepare a presentation? On her laptop. Does she prepare a presentation on a sheet of paper? No, she doesn't. Does she prepare a presentation on her laptop? Yes, she does. The roofer repairs the roof in my neighborhood. The roofer repairs the roofs in my neighborhood. Does he repair the roofs in your neighborhood? Yes, he does. Does he repair the roofs downtown? No, he doesn't. Where does he repair the roofs? In my neighborhood. Does he repair the roofs at the terminal station? No, he doesn't. Does he repair the roofs in your neighborhood? Yes, he does. They greet every morning at the train station. They greet every morning at the train station. Do they greet every morning at the train station? Yes, they do. Do they greet every morning at the terminal station? No, they don't. Do they greet every morning at the beach? No, they don't. When do they greet every morning? At the train station. Do they greet every morning at home? No, they don't.